Rihanna and A$AP Rocky, behind the scenes of the gun assault trial. Rihanna, the global music and beauty icon, was front and center in a high-profile legal battle involving her husband, A$AP Rocky, whose real name is Rakim Mayers. The trial, which took place in California, was one of the most talked-about court cases in recent memory. It captivated public attention not only due to the celebrity status of the two parties involved but also because of the emotionally charged nature of the case. At the center of the proceedings was an accusation that A$AP Rocky had been involved in a shooting incident with his former friend, A$AP Rocky, in November 2021. As the jury deliberated, the tension in the courtroom was palpable. A$AP Rocky's defense team worked tirelessly to present evidence that would clear his name, while the prosecution attempted to prove his involvement in the violent altercation. After a trial filled with emotional moments and conflicting testimony, the jury ultimately reached a verdict. A$AP Rocky was found not guilty. The relief was evident on the rapper's face as he jumped into the arms of his wife Rihanna after the announcement, a powerful gesture that spoke volumes about their deep bond during the intense proceedings. Rihanna, who has been known for her poise and grace both on and off the stage, was present for every day of the trial, offering support to her husband through one of the most challenging moments of his life. However, it was the presence of their children at the trial that sparked significant controversy and speculation. Rumors quickly surfaced that Rihanna had brought their kids to the courthouse as part of a strategic move to garner sympathy from the jury. Given the public's fascination with the celebrity couple, many assumed this was a calculated move to influence the trial's outcome. The notion of using children as pawns in such a serious legal matter drew both criticism and support from various corners of the media and public discourse. However, Rihanna's lawyer, Tacopina, was quick to shut down these rumors during an appearance on The Breakfast Club on February 24, 2025. Addressing the swirling speculation, Tacopina explained the true reasoning behind Rihanna's decision to bring their children to the courthouse. The lawyer emphasized that the children's presence was not a ploy to manipulate the jury's emotions, as some had suggested. Tacopina stated plainly that people had misunderstood the situation, attributing the rumors to a false narrative that was being spread by the media. People were thinking it was a ploy, like some sort of maneuver to get the jury to feel sympathy, he told the Breakfast Club hosts DJ Envy, Charlemagne the God and Loren LaRosa. He was adamant in denying any connection between the children's presence and the outcome of the trial. The jury's not feeling sympathy, Tacopina continued, a clear attempt to squash any notion that emotions or tactics had played a role in the verdict. He highlighted the professionalism of the court process, noting that the jury's decision was based solely on the facts presented and not on any external influence, including the presence of Rihanna's children. The lawyer further explained that Rihanna had brought the kids to the courthouse on the final day of the trial because of the emotional weight of the moment. It was the last day of the trial, Tacopina noted, adding that for A$AP Rocky, this could have been the last time he saw his children for many years if the outcome had gone in the prosecution's favor. The possibility of a lengthy prison sentence loomed large, and the emotional toll on the couple was undeniable. Tacopina suggested that Rihanna simply wanted her children to be there during such an important moment in their family's life, acknowledging that their future was at stake. The children's presence was, therefore, not a political or legal move but rather a personal decision made by Rihanna as a mother and wife, one rooted in the genuine emotional stakes of the case. Tacopina expressed his belief that the prosecutor's reaction to the children's presence was a fatal mistake, suggesting that by making it a point of contention in the courtroom, the prosecution may have unintentionally undermined their own case. Beyond the courtroom drama, the trial had broader implications for A$AP Rocky's career and public image. As one of the most successful and influential figures in contemporary music, the rapper had a significant following, and the trial had drawn widespread media coverage. A$AP Rocky had maintained his innocence throughout the proceedings, insisting that he was not involved in the shooting incident with A$AP Rocky. The case had garnered attention not only because of the famous names involved but also due to the serious nature of the charges. The rapper's defense team worked diligently to deconstruct the prosecution's case, raising doubts about the credibility of the key witnesses and presenting evidence that suggested a different version of events. The defense argued that A$AP Rocky was not responsible for the shooting and that the altercation between the two former friends had been blown out of proportion. At the same time, the media's fascination with A$AP Rocky and Rihanna's relationship added a layer of complexity to the trial. Their status as one of the most beloved power couples in the entertainment industry often made it difficult to separate the public's perception of them as individuals from the facts of the case. The attention surrounding the trial was intense, with fans and critics alike weighing in on every detail, from the courtroom proceedings to the couple's personal lives. The role of the celebrity couple in influencing public opinion and perceptions of the trial cannot be understated. Rihanna's status as a music mogul, fashion icon, and philanthropist gave her a powerful platform, and her presence at the trial made headlines worldwide. Whether it was her emotional support for her husband or the speculation surrounding her decisions, the media coverage of Rihanna's role was as significant as the trial itself. For A$AP Rocky, the trial represented not just a legal battle but also a personal one. The emotional strain of potentially losing his freedom for many years had weighed heavily on him throughout the proceedings. The rapper's jump into Rihanna's arms following the not guilty verdict was a raw and emotional moment that encapsulated the relief and joy he felt at the outcome. For Rihanna, it was a testament to her unwavering support for her husband and her role as a mother and partner. In the aftermath of the trial, it is clear that the public's perception of the couple has been shaped not only by the trial's outcome but also by their personal lives. The rumors and speculation surrounding Rihanna's actions during the trial may have clouded the true motivations behind her decisions, but with Tacopina's clarification, the truth is now clear. The presence of their children was a deeply personal choice made in the face of immense emotional turmoil, not a calculated legal strategy. As the couple moves forward from the trial, they will undoubtedly continue to be in the spotlight, both for their individual careers and their family life. The outcome of this case has been a momentous event in their lives, but it also marks the beginning of a new chapter for A$AP Rocky and Rihanna. While the legal battle may be over, the attention surrounding their relationship and their family will undoubtedly continue.